everyone, my name is Rosita Puji Lestari, and today I would like to talk about a very interesting and important topic, which is the impact of the Iran war on Indonesia economy. When we hear the word war, we usually think about soldiers, weapons, and destruction. But war does not only affect the countries directly involved. In today's globalized world, a conflict in one region can affect people thousands of kilometers away. So the question is, how can a war involving Iran affect the Indonesian economy? The answer is closely related to oil, inflation, the exchange rate, trade, and investment. Okay, number one, the Iran war and the global economy. First, let's understand why the conflict involving Iran is important for the global economy. Iran is located in the Middle East, one of the most important regions for global energy supplies. One of the most strategic locations is the Strait of Hormuz, a major route for international oil transportation. When conflict threatens this area, the global market becomes worried about possible disruption to oil supplies. This uncertainty can push up international oil price. For example, Indonesian Ministry of Energy and Mineral Research report that Indonesian crude oil price. Number 2, impact on oil and fuel price. The first major impact is on oil and fuel price. Indonesia still needs to import crude oil and petroleum products to meet domestic energy demand. When international oil price increase, the cost of importing energy also increases. This creates pressure on the Indonesian government because the government needs to manage fuel price and energy subsidies. If oil price remain high for a long period, the government spending on energy subsidies and compensation can increase. For ordinary people, higher energy costs can also affect transportation costs. For example, when fuel becomes more expensive, transportation companies may face higher operation costs. These costs can eventually be transferred to consumers through higher price for goods and services. So, a conflict in the Middle East can eventually affect something as simple as the price of transportation and everyday product in Indonesia. Number 3, impact on inflation. Inflation means a general increase in the price of goods and services. Higher oil prices do not only affect gasoline, they can also increase production and transportation costs. Think about a simple example. A farmer needs fuel to operate agricultural equipment. A truck driver needs fuel to transport food. A factory needs energy to produce goods. If energy becomes more expensive, their costs increase. As a result, the price of food and other products might also increase. Indonesia government has warned too that geopolitical tension can be transmitted to Indonesia through higher oil, gas, and commodity price. This means that the impact of war can eventually wreck Indonesian households through their daily expense. Number 4, impact on the Indonesia rupiah. During periods of geopolitical uncertainty, international investors often become more cautious. They might move their money from emerging markets such as Indonesia to assets considered safer. This can put pressure on emerging market currencies, including the rupiah. A weaker rupiah can make imported goods more expensive because Indonesia needs more rupiah to buy product priced in US dollar. This is especially important for imported oil. Number 5. Impact on trade and business. The fourth impact is on international trade and business activities. War can disrupt shipping routes, increase transportation costs, and create uncertainty in international supply chains. Indonesia is an important trading country, so disruption in global logistics can affect Indonesia business. Companies that depend heavily on imported raw materials might face higher costs. For example, manufacturers might need to pay more for imported materials and energy. Higher costs can reduce company profit. Some companies may respond by increasing their product price, while others might reduce production or delay investment. Therefore, prolonged geopolitical conflict can create uncertainty for business. Number 6. Impact on investment. Investors generally prefer stable economic and political conditions. When war creates uncertainty, investors might become more careful before investing. Bank Indonesia reports that foreign portfolio investment experienced significant outflows in the first quarter of 2026, partly influenced by global financial market uncertainty caused by the conflict in the Middle East. However, Indonesia still has strong economic fundamentals. This means that the impact of the conflict does not automatically mean that Indonesia's economy will collapse. Indonesia has several economic strengths that can help reduce the impact. Number 7. Are there any positive impacts? Interestingly, there can also be some potential positive impacts. Indonesia is a producer and exporter of several commodities. When global commodity price increase, Indonesia exporter certain commodities might receive higher revenues. Higher commodity price can benefit some business and increase export earnings. However, this benefit depends on the type of commodity and the duration of the conflict. If the conflict becomes too severe, the negative effect from higher energy price, inflation, and financial markets instability could become much larger than the benefit. So the impact is not simply positive or negative. It depends on manufacturer. Number 8. What can Indonesia do? So, what should Indonesia to deal with the economic impact of the Iran war? First, Indonesia needs to maintain energy security. The government needs to ensure the fuel and energy supplies remain available. Second, Indonesia needs to maintain inflation and purchasing power. Government policies should protect vulnerable households if the price of essential goods increase. Third, Bank Indonesia needs to maintain rupiah stability and monitor financial market conditions. Finally, Indonesia should continue to strengthen its domestic economy. A strong domestic economy can help Indonesia become more resilient when external shocks occur.